So welcome back to the WPA and Predator World Pool Billiard Championships. Got the semi-final here between Kelly Fisher and Han Yu. Yu currently leading 3-1. Kelly Fisher breaking. Seen some awesome breaks so far, so hopefully you can see a couple more.
Made 4 in her last one. 10
Big
balls
power.
in.
Making the 1 as well, the 7 on its way.
3 balls again. She's hitting the break well. And look at the spread.
Nice spread.
Take a look at the position. Which balls or areas require extra attention? Now draft your game, draw the path of the cue ball and target area, and define the spin and speed required. Once ready, try to run out the position following your plan. Then watch the replay.
I think she only needs one good shot on this 2-ball.
Yeah, hitting the break very well. Light kick up in the air. Recognize throughout the course, determine how much power she has to put into it. That's what she's doing.
Up and down, twice the long rail. Perfect angle on the 3 as well to stay off that long rail.
She's underdrawn a couple balls. See if she takes note of that on this shot.
Might have gotten straight again on the 4.
Yeah. At least she's not
Yeah.
going the opposite way.
Looking at her facial expression, she was not too happy with this. I will go forward and just take a tougher cut on the 5. You have to guarantee that you have that angle to go to the 6. If you start drawing into the rail and out, you might get straight.
She needs some angle on the 5 anyways to get back for the 6. So, but looks like she might go for the power draw option. Just considering it. I think the safer option is to follow it.
The only thing though, the 10 could be in the way while cutting the 5 to get up for the 6. So that's why she's maybe trying to get where she is now. Oh, that's a big cut though. I mean, I'm not sure about taking such a big cut.
Didn't want to be on the rail here because the natural angle is tracking to the right side of the 6, which isn't going to help her. Can't even play short side because the 9 is there. Is there a small track just to the right of the 10 and then directly towards the 6? I think she has to take it. Any other shot is too much spin. Tried to. Bit of frustration there.
Yeah, she's just lost the cue ball a couple times, which made her next shot just so tough. She was trying to hit it thicker and then with some outside spin to go in between the 10-8, but
Yeah, it was the thickness of the pot that got her. If she would have caught it thinner, it would have took the track that she was trying. Cue ball can go behind the 8 here. It's okay too. Looks okay
she
for
get
the
the cover though.
10 ball coverage.